curious, but, what's your running theory?
Well, you played with the radio. Triangle came out, the Triangle talked, hung out a little, then drowned us, but not, and now we're here.
Yep. Those were the events.
Good talk.
I didn't realize just how much woods there were. This is like a genuine forest.
What's the matter? Not the outdoorsy type?
Well, if it's in a city with concrete and a little open all-night pancake place, then yeah, I'm outdoorsy and that I'm outdoors. But I just want to make sure, that we know where we're going. We do...
Not exactly, no.
Not exactly?
I got the map right here, it's fine.
This whole place really creepily reminds me of a park, or woods, I guess, near where I used to live. It's really kind of felt just like this.
Oh yeah? What was that one called?